Hello, world. Welcome back to Worldview Connections. This worldview series on mysteries, worldview mysteries, on aliens and UFOs. Starting off today with a question: Are aliens and UFOs time travelers? Here's another theory, and look at the about aliens and UFOs. Scientist says aliens and UFOs might be Earthlings from the future. I give a link to this at the end of the video. Um, Quote: We know we're here. We know humans exist. We know that we've had a long evolutionary history on this planet, and we know our technology is going to be more advanced in the future. I think the simplest explanation innately is that it is us. I'm just trying to offer what is likely the most parsimonious explanation. This is from space journalist Leonard David, which I thought was interesting. Could it be us time traveling back in time, helping our ancient ancestors? Um, Going back in time, helping out the human species in certain ways. One question is why do aliens look like this? Why are they described this way if they're real? Some people report sightings describing aliens looking, white skin and their long head and the eyes are big and black. Question is, what if this alien is wearing an external protection spacesuit? This is simply an external, helmet kind of a thing around its real body, and that we've never actually seen what an alien looks like. That these are kind of, could this be a humanoid in a suit which feeds its physiological needs, kind of like an oxygen tank for a human being would need oxygen? What if this alien needs a certain other gas to breathe in all the time when on in space or on foreign worlds? And it's perhaps it's like when humans wear spacesuits. Humans don't physically look like astronauts do here in this picture, but the suit is for survival, and we all know that you can look up NASA's history with space traveling and space explorations and how we have oxygen tanks on us, and you wouldn't assume that we're just a bunch of cyclops with one eyeball in the front with black, so and some are reflectors. So again, this could be what we people see. If it is an extraterrestrial, are we really seeing what the species look like? Is one question out there. So let's get into some of the organizations. This is a Center for UFO Studies, um, cufos.org. Check out their website. It has some great stuff. Center for UFO Studies, and it's privately funded. Great research group, great articles, great insights. It was founded in 1973 by J. Allen Hynek, who at the time was chair of the Department of Astronomy at Northwestern University in Illinois. So it was no dummy. Check out their great resources and information. Have you seen aliens or UFO? If you have, they have. You can fill out a UFO sighting report form, and you just go on their home website, homepage. Go down the scroll down. You click there on report a sighting, which I think is pretty cool. Read about some of the things they talk about on there. Fascinating. I'm not going to take time on videos to do that. Just go check it out. Very fascinating. Once you get in there, it'll show you this PDF you can print off and fill it out, the questionnaire, and you mail it into the Chicago, Illinois, their PO box, the Center for UFO Studies. So I encourage you, if you've had a real legitimate experience, go ahead and do that. Contribute to the data. The more data people have, the more information we can have on this topic. Another organization, a Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, the acronym SETI. You may or may not have heard of SETI. SETI Institute is great. Another source for great information, alien and UFO researchers. These are scientists. I just took a picture of some of the pictures that they have. They have many from many disciplines, scientists on there. Contact the experts. You can read about things that they talk about, their different theories, and look at the disciplines. Astrobiologists, they have astronomers, astrophysicists, they have, just all kinds of biogeosciences and a lot of experience there to tap into. What SETI has, we'll end on these few slides, is that China, they're collaborating with people around the world. This is something in China, this picture to the right. They also have alien signals. They're trying to get information if they're communicating with us. And so, are we getting alien signals? Again, like I said, we'll finish with this slide. Thing is huge. It's the size of about 4.5 football fields wide. So again, stay with us. We're going to be talking about some interesting, fascinating stuff about aliens and UFOs here on Worldview Connections.